Hey everyone, in this video, let's take a look at how you can use a Grok Companion. In order to do so, here we are in Grok for iOS, and this is currently not available on the web version. So I'm using this on iOS, and as you can see up at the top, you have the Companions option. We're going to go ahead and click on that. And here we have our companions. So we've got Mika, Annie, Valentine, and we've got Good Ready and Bad Ready. So let's go ahead and say hi to Bad Ready. Let's see what Bad Ready's got to say. So we're just going to go ahead and hit the chat bubble there. I'm not sure we're going to do the audio version of this because I'm not sure how that's going to come across, but we can say hi to Bad Ready anyways. And as you can see now, we are in the chat with Bad Ready, and let's go ahead and say hi and see what Bad Ready has to say. So there you go. Bad Ready's got an interesting sense of humor, and let's go ahead and hit talk here, see what happens.
What? No comeback? Figures. You humans are all the same. Big talk. It's his mouth. I was just thinking. It's too short for open. It's on your body. You want to live? Or you want to live?
So it seems as though the audio is getting blocked there, but you can hear it through my mic a little bit. And yeah, Bad Ready's got a bit of an edge there. So that's how you can use the Grok Companion for yourself. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you will find our socials and our top AI recommendations. We'd love to have you over on our Discord. We're just getting started over there. We're building a community around AI animation. Come check it out. And while you're there, check out our WAP course on how to make an AI music video. If you check out the link there for $30, you can get access to our course, and it will show you all the fundamentals that you need in order to create your own AI music video masterpieces. Also, if you're looking for an online bank, check out Simply Financial. If you click on the link in the link tree, you can get $50 to open up an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a great bank. Simply Financial comes highly recommended. Check to see if it's available in your area.